Hey there, Raptor community. Here are the December 2024 Raptor updates from Smart Panda Tools. Today we're going to be looking at 3 new features for Raptor and 1 enhancement for the dashboard. We're going to be looking at the first and last page finder, find and replace function, Smart Lasso, and we will be sorting by student name on the dashboard. The first and last page finder is when you have a transcript file that has more than 2 pages and you want to quickly find information on the last page and go back to the first page. As you can see, over the transcript image next to the page number indicator, there is a first page and a last page button. Last page will take you to the important information you can find on the last page and allow the user to quickly toggle back to the first page. Find and replace is based on feedback from Raptor users. The team at Smart Panda designed a find and replace feature that works similarly to find and replace that you would find in a Word document or an Excel document. Now you can find items in the grid and replace them with the value or wording of your choice. To do so, click on the magnifying glass above the transcript grid, which will bring up the find replace fields. Here, we don't want a D. We don't want to bring that over to the student information system. So we're going to find all these within the transcript grid and replace them with an NC. Hit the blue replace all button, and there you have it. This toggle cell match is a feature of the find and replace where the user will want to, if it's toggled on, type the exact characters they're looking for in the field. So in this case, NC. If I take it off, Raptor is going to find all N's and all C's. We're going to replace that with a D, hit replace all, and here it is. To turn off the find and replace, hit the magnifying glass and move on. Smart Lasso is Lasso with the capability to interpret multiple columns to enable users to choose all pertinent data columns to include in the grid. Similar to the original Lasso feature where you would find one column at a time to append to the grid, Lasso can now interpret what Raptor would think to be terms, courses, catalog numbers, credits, grades, etc. Here I want to find all the information for fall 2013. So I'm going to highlight all 6 columns on the transcript image. I'm going to press the purple Process Lasso button, and that will interpret the highlighted areas and bring all 6 columns over to the transcript grid and append them at the bottom, similar to the current Lasso feature. Users can still use Lasso one column at a time if they so choose, but the Smart Lasso, as we've said, now allows users to find multiple columns and have Raptor interpret it. There's a dashboard enhancement in the student name column where users can now sort student name in ascending or descending order. Here's the dashboard. As you can see, there's now an arrow right next to the student name column. Click it to sort by either ascending or descending order, however you choose. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to us using either the megaphone or chat feature in your dashboard or by email.